Every transformation has a story worth telling. By this, we say, welcome to Taibra Painting Finishes, a place where damaged spaces, deteriorating walls are transformed into stunning works of art. It all began with a distress call from a client who was concerned about the deteriorating condition of his wall. Although the client initially requested quality paint finish, we already knew that a beautiful finish starts with solving the real problem. So we carried out a detailed inspection. We discovered that the damage was caused by a leaking plumbing pipe hidden inside the wall of the neighbor. We quietly advised the client to first engage a qualified plumber to repair the leak, which is the base of the problem. A week later, after the wall had dried completely, we returned to the site to begin the transformation. So how do the process goes? Firstly, we take out the worn out coatings, the wallpaper, like you can see in the video, the wallpaper flaking part of the wall that is already damaged. In other time, we call this preparatory processes, that is preparing the wall for the new coatings that is to come over it. So secondly, you dust off. Thirdly, you prime. The priming we use in this form is a water resistant primer. Okay, so which we perform multi-tasks like sealing off the wall, potholes, ensure a water resistance, and as well is going to create adhesion for the next coming coatings. And mind you, coatings could be in form of priming, painting, skimming, or decorative. Whatever things you are applying on the wall is going to leave a thin thickness on the wall. So that thin thickness is called a coating. We started our skimming processes. After ensuring the wall are in a better condition, skimming it back and ensure full dryness, then we start installing the decorative. With precision, creativity, and attention to detail, we restore the wall using our signature decorative finishing techniques. The result was nothing short of breathtaking, a flawless finish that completely revived the space. The client was amazed with the transformation and awarded us, the whole of the team, with a 5-star review. Now up to you. Are you dealing with a damp walls, or you are dealing with a peeling paint, or you need to restore a decorative finishes on your accent wall, or home, or offices, or lounge, or in the hotel? Leave a comment below or send us a message today to schedule a professional inspection. At Taibra Painting Finishes, we don't just paint. We solve problems and create finishes that last. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you will share our content, like us, follow us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you once again.